How to enable microphone in Snapchat. If any day you would like to enable microphone in Snapchat, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search Snapchat there. After you search Snapchat there, you can see the very application of Snapchat there. You have to tap on the very Snapchat application and then you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information. When you tap on the app information, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option, that is notifications, and tap on notifications. After tapping on notification, you need to enable allow notification. You also need to enable allow sound and vibrations. After you do that, you need to go back. After going back, you need to go to the next option, that is the option of permissions. You have to tap on permissions, and after tapping on permissions, you can see an interface like this. Now you need to allow the permission to the camera, to the contacts, the location, to the microphone, to the nearby devices, to the notification, to the phone, and to the photos and videos. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of set as default and tap on set as default. You need to enable open the supported links. After that, you need to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of the storage there and tap on storage. After tapping on storage, you need to check whether there is any cache or not. If you see any cache, you have to go to the option of clear down the cache. After that, you need to go back and go to the option of app in detail store. And after that, if the very application will be open in the Google Play Store, and if you see any option of the update there, you need to update your very application. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.